Good evening. Welcome to the Daily Stock Market Update. The DACX remained flat today, marginally gaining 7.13 points or 0.11% and settled at 6,765 points. Market turnover was BDT 9.82 billion, which is an increase of 6.17% compared to the last trading day. Square and Beximco Pharma from the pharmaceutical sector, Grameenphone from the telecom sector and British American Tobacco from the food and allied sector dragged the market down today. On the other hand, Titash Gas and Power Grid Bangladesh from the fuel and power sector, ICB and IPDC Finance from the NBFI sector, and Walton and GPH Ispat from the industrial sector pulled the market up today, keeping the market flat. In terms of sector-wise return, the NBFI sector registered the highest gain of 1.57%, while the mutual fund sector posted the second highest gain of 1.00%. On the other hand, the tannery sector registered the highest loss of 0.63%. 4 mutual funds, 3 textile companies and 3 food and allied companies were among the top 20 gainers today. Northern Jute Manufacturing, Bangladesh National Insurance and IPDC Finance registered the highest gain, while Dutch Bangla Bank, Premier Bank and Bangladesh Monos Pool Paper were the top losers. Dutch Bangla Bank fell in value due to dividend adjustment as it resumed trading today after its record date. Despite posting a significant growth in its annual earnings, investors exerted selling pressure on Premier Bank stock as the company's net operating cash flow per share registered a decline. There was no disclosed price-sensitive information for the remaining stocks. The trading volume of Bangladesh National Insurance, Stern Bank and ICB AMCL First Agroni Bank Mutual Fund increased significantly today compared to the average trading volume of the last 3 months. Investors may have exerted buying pressure on Stern Bank as Visa has partnered with the bank to offer trustee services to its member banks in the country to help address domestic settlement issues by maintaining cash collateral with the trust. In addition to that, the bank is scheduled to have its board of directors meeting on 31st of March, where its annual earnings will be disclosed. There was no publicly disclosed fundamental reason for the volume increase of the remaining stocks. Today's top 2 news. Bangladesh Bank has warned in its fiscal year 2021 annual report that excess liquidity caused by stimulus packages may exert further inflationary pressure in the economy. Inflation rose to 6.17% in February 2022, mainly driven by higher food item prices and other essentials prices in the local market. However, even though excess liquidity dropped in January due to increased trade financing, expansionary monetary policy coupled with stimulus package implementation boosted liquidity in the banking system. As this situation can magnify inflationary pressure further, the central bank has asked to remain cautious regarding this. Rebounding business activities to meet pent-up demand have pushed credit flow to the industrial sector up by 19% year-on-year in 2021. Private sector credit grew by 11.07% year-on-year in January 2022, which is the highest in 29 months. Overall, credit growth in the economy rose as business returned to full operation after the pandemic and stimulus loan in the industrial sector continued for the second phase. Industrial credit growth may sustain in upcoming days as businesses continue to import more capital machinery and raw materials. That's all for today. We will be back again tomorrow with more updates on Dhaka Stock Exchange. Follow LR Global on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.